Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can set the image durations on CapCut PC. So if you add an image to CapCut PC, you can actually just the usual ways you can just adjust or drag the image like this to set the image durations. But if you want to make it a default, like you want a certain durations for image, you can just go to the setting. So first click on the menu at the top and then go to settings, and then after that go to the edit tab. Then here you can see there's an image durations, and in here you can change the uh duration in here. So as in here is seconds, or you can also set it by frame. But if you want to just make it a default, for example you want to set it 3 seconds, you can just change it into 3 like this, and then after that click on save. So when you add an image, it will be set in default or by default in 3 seconds like that. So now for two images is 6 seconds. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.